Hello guys, welcome back. I am Adam the Bears and this is Orca Slicer. Orca Slicer is a fork of Bamboo Studio which is made by Bamboo Lab. Don't forget, Bamboo Studio is based on Orca Slicer, Super Slicer and Slick 3R, all open source and getting better all the time. I have the link for Orca Slicer in the description. You just bought a brand new filament and you don't know the right temperature for it. I will show you how to find out. I will use Voron 2.4 350 for this, but it works for any other printer as well. So we go to calibration, we choose temperature, just like that, and let's say you bought PLA spool and the sticker on that spool says 230 to 190 degrees. So we can leave it, or we can do 235 to 190 degrees. We click OK. We want, or we will have 5 degrees steps on it, so I will click OK. So this is our temperature tower, right? So now I will slice plate just like that. And what we can do right now, we can export the G code to a SD card, or you can print, or you can send the file directly to printer if you have it connected. So after that, you print this temperature tower on your printer, and when it's finished, you can take a look on the temperature tower and you will see which temperature is the best for your filament. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. This is the way.